Okay, guys. So, as you know, today this webinar is related to very hot topic, how we can use AI in Web GIS development. Actually, we are not going to discuss about what is machine learning, what is AI, what is the history of AI, history of machine learning. Instead of that, because I believe these things you guys already know. And let's suppose if you don't know all these things, so we can arrange some different session where we will discuss about how AI is started and how machine learning is started, when machine learning is started, and how we basically reach on this particular point. So today's topic is basically how AI is powerful and let's suppose if I ask you one question, maybe maybe you are not comfortable to give the answer of this question, but just think about what if AI can build 70% of the web application faster than most GIS developers? Because now these days this is the actual thing which are happening. If you are going to develop any application, we are going to more focus on the GIS because I believe we all are from the GIS background. So what if AI can build 70% of the web GIS application? And the most important thing, not only the development, the most important thing is it is doing the development faster than most GIS developers. Means if anything previously we were developing that was taking 1 month or let's suppose 15 days, and now these days if you are going to develop same thing using the AI, then you can develop this thing in 1 hour, or even not only 1 hour, you can develop in like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. And this thing we already know. But what if company already knows about that? Company already know about that. Ki the thing which we are developing previously, it was taking 1 month time. Now you are ready to develop in 1 day. So basically, this is not the point of fear. This is not the point of fear. This is basically how how we can accommodate ourselves in today's technology. That is the most important thing. And as we know, because I have around 20 year of experience in GIS, and based on my experience, we as a GIS community, we as a GIS people, we are very slow to adopt a new technology. And because of that reason in industry, people or most of the GIS people are not getting proper appreciation. So in today's webinar, this is not just a webinar. Today basically we today is about whether the GIS professionals will evolve and how become slow in an AI driven industry. So now these days AI is very powerful. And what if but can it build a professional web GIS application? Because if let's suppose AI is able to develop 100% professional web GIS application, then what we will do? So, so in today's session we are going to discuss about all these points, and we can find out what is the way around to accommodate with AI and do the work. So I will show you some applications which basically we have developed without using the AI. So these application, if you see, all these applications are the GIS related applications. And as you know, when we are talking about the GIS related application, this is not only the GIS. There are many things involved in the application, and even GIS applications are more complex than other applications. In other applications, we are just playing with the database, we are showing the data, we are basically doing some CRUD operation. But when we are coming to the GIS, so altogether, other than the CRUD operation, we are playing with the geospatial technology. So, anyways, GIS applications or even GIS web applications are more complex than other applications. So these are the some application what basically we have developed. So some of the applications are related to the vehicle tracking system. Some of the applications are related to the utilities. Some of the applications are related to the electric survey and all. And if I tell you, yeah, tell me please. Hello, anyone want to tell something? Okay, so here, let's suppose if you will take any application, if we when we have developed this application, so in one application we have taken around 1 month 2 month time to develop, but now I have seen the one page application what I'm showing you here. This application we can develop maximum in 1 day. Maximum in 1 day we can develop this application. But but this is not like very easy. We cannot say कि just we can use the AI and we can develop this application. So there are many things we are going to discuss today related to the AI and how we can use the AI and do all these things. So here, because as you know, technology, when any technology will start, it is taking time, but AI is basically coming very fast. Like when the internet invented, internet is started in 1983, but after internet, the first website to launch the first website, it almost takes 8 years. After 1983, the first website launched in 1991. After the launching of the first website, 7 years it took Google to come in the market. And then after coming to the Google, apps started developing in 2008. And then after 14 years, now in 2022, we are basically able to get the AI chat, and there are many companies now working on the AI and chatbots. So here, because after coming to the AI, now we are ready or we are able to develop the application. If I ask you to develop a website, and if this is a simple website, I am not talking about the enterprise level website. The even the simple website which will be the responsive, I can open the website on the desktop, I can open the website on mobile pad. So previously it was taking around 10 days to 15 days, and it is not only a 10 to 15 days, there are many resources also involved. There are many resources also involved. Means we need the UI UX developer, we need the backend developer, we need the API developer, we need database developer. Then using all these resources, we have taken 1 month time to develop the website. And now the same website, if I ask you to develop, you can develop the same website in 5 minutes. You can develop the same website in just 5 minutes. If you want to develop a mobile app, you can, if you already have the idea what you need to develop, then you can develop the mobile app in 10 minutes. Any script writing we can develop in 10 minutes. Data cleaning, previously people have taken too much time to for the data cleaning. Now if you have like 1 crore data, if you want to clean up this data, you can hardly, it will take 10 minutes to clean the data, get the insights with chart, graph, everything. If you want to do the email management, it will take 5 minutes only. Means you no need to check the entire email every day. You have some AI agent, you can use that AI agent, and you can, whatever you want to do, they will do, agent will do. Means let's suppose every day, or if you want to find out what are the mails I received from this particular topic, it will give you the answer. If you want to develop something, let's suppose you are a content maker or content provider. Every day your job is to make the content. And definitely, if you are working in the sports, if you are working in the politics, and you want to make the content, so every day you have to check what are the latest topic, what are the hot topic in the market. Using that, I can create the content. For that, previously you have taken too much time to find out what are the new topics in the market. But now we have the AI agent, we have the AI tools. These tools basically do this job for you. Every day, if you instruct the agent, every morning 6 o'clock, I want to get an email where I want to find out, or I want to get 10 top trending topics. Then it will find out in entire world, entire website, and it will give you the top 10 website. This is the trending topic. You can develop the content on that. Then you can use another agent. It will develop the content for you. So now these days things are like 10-minute delivery. Now, people are using the Blinkit, people are using the Instamart. So previously, when the same item you have taken in 1 day or 2 day, now everyone want in 10 minutes only. So the same thing in AI also. AI is also giving everything in 10 minutes only. But the here important thing is what, how we are adopting the AI. As a GIS professional, how quickly we are adopting the AI, because one thing I tell you clearly, maybe you will not, maybe you will not feel good when I am talking you about if you will not accommodate the AI in your daily life or in your daily work, then definitely you will be out of the market. Definitely you will be out of the market. Many companies, now you have seen many companies are, many layoff is going on. Even many companies want to remove many employees, but because of little bit fear, they are not removing the employees. And slowly, definitely they will remove. The only reason is the people who are going to use, who are going to adopt the AI for their work, they will survive in the market. So here, how quickly we are adopting the AI, it will be good for us. Now, after that, when we are talking about the AI infrastructure and model creation, model creators, so there are many companies are there. And in even in today's session, we are going to discuss about all these things, because I know many people have confusion about what is the AI, what is the AI tool, what is the AI agent, what is the agentic AI, what is LLM. There are many terminologies going on. But I believe after completion of the session, at least we can easily understand what are these terminology, and for us which is useful. And later in between this session, we will have some 5 minute, 10 minute QA sessions as well, so that we can discuss. You can share your idea, I can share my idea also. So here in market, after coming the AI, there are some companies are there. The companies, especially in the model creation. What is the model and all that we will see later. But here, why I am asking you this, because these all names you guys already heard. Like what is the OpenAI, Google, DeepMind, Meta, Anthropics, Microsoft, Nvidia. These all are those companies who are developing some AI model. They are aggressively working on AI. And time to time, even they are not wasting time, they are not taking much time. Every 10 days, every 15 days, they are giving new models. So these companies are the generator of what? These companies are the generator of the models. These companies are developing the model. These companies are playing a very big role in AI infrastructure. And then after, there are many companies who are using that model to improve the performance. Like in the tech companies, Adobe, Canva, Zoom, healthcare companies, Pfizer, Tata 1mg, finance and stock market. All these companies everywhere now, this time, if you go to any company, any website, everywhere you will get the AI model. These all AI models, what these companies are using, some are using the generic model, some are using the customized model. Customized model means in any company is working with any company is working in the finance sector, they want AI which will be suitable for the finance related work. So here in e-commerce and marketing, Zomato, Zepto, all these companies also using the different AI models. So now we will see what is the today's agenda. The first thing is what? The AI. We are going to discuss about the AI revolution in GIS, what changes and why it matters for now. Then after we have, because as you know, whenever we are talking about any AI tool, Chat GPT, Perplexity, any tool. So in this tool, the most important thing is the prompt. What is the prompting, and how basically prompting is a superpower, and how we can improve our prompt. Many things we will discuss today, because I know the important things which is behind this prompting and AI we are missing. So that thing we will discuss. Then you can understand, okay, yes, this is the correct what we are discussing here. So what are the different type of prompt we have? Prompt writing and contextual writing. What is the difference between these two? Then we will have the live demo, and then we will see what is the hidden gap, and how we can improve our productivity, and how AI we can use in the Web GIS application. Then what is the roadmap of the full stack development, and how we can help people to improve the technology or improve your technical skills basically. And then we will show a proper roadmap. And then in last of the session, I am going to provide you approximately 50 sample prompt, and some documents also I will provide. That document I will share on the WhatsApp. These documents are basically important for how we can write a proper prompt. What are the rules we need to follow when we are writing the prompt? So please bear with us. And if you have any question, any doubt, feel free to raise your hand. We'll discuss, because this session is not just like one way thing. I am delivering and you are receiving. If you have some questions, some doubt, you can raise your hand. We will definitely consider and we will discuss on your point. So now we're coming to the AI revolution in GIS. How AI is impacting on our GIS, especially in the development. Whenever we are talking about AI based Web GIS development, when any project, company got any project or company got any requirement, so the first thing what company want to do, that is development of the prototype. Any company, any company, when they want to show the MVP to the client, then first they want to develop a prototype. And how quickly, company always targeting how quickly we can develop the prototype and show to the client, so that the possibility of getting the project will be high. So using the AI, we can improve our prototyping by 60%, which is going on. And that possibility is only, this is possible only because of AI. Then after, AI is basically, as you know, the best part is in India. India is ranked 3 in global GIS talent demand. And even for entire world, India is always first, second choice for the development. And especially in GIS, we have basically many hubs are there. You can find too many peoples in Maharashtra, you can find too many people in Andhra, Telangana, all these places. In till 2030, GIS market is around $17 billion. So if we will not accommodate with the AI, if we will not handshake with the AI, then definitely we will be the out of the game. Next one is there are around 5 lakhs jobs are there. And I always asking people, there are so many jobs are available in the market. But the problem is company want a good resource for the GIS development. And we are stuck with the GIS data service only. So if you want to do some wonder, if you want to do something, you have to come to the GIS development first, and then after you have to use the AI in your development practice. Now after that, as always I am telling in my courses, if you want to revise your salary, don't tell ki that guy is getting that much salary, he has the same experience and all. If someone is getting better salaries, so you have to think what is better, what he guys is better than you, what he is using, what we are not using. So based on my experience, if now these days, even if you go for any interview, one question is very common now these days: are you using any AI tool? As soon as you will tell no, the possibility of selection is down. So getting 2x salary, 3x salary, we have to use what? We have to use the AI, and we have first, before going to use the AI, we have to come to the web development. Now, after that, how AI is changing the game. If you are developing the application with traditional workflow, if you are going to use even now these days, if you are going to use the same method what we have used from last 20 year, then means you are something you are doing wrong. So if you are going to develop a web GIS application using the traditional workflow, let's suppose one page you are going to develop, it will take 3 days, 4 days. And one more thing I am telling you, even though if you are going to take 3 days, 4 days, or 7 days also, then also you cannot develop that application which AI can develop. Because whenever you will tell to the AI, I want to develop the web GIS application, which should be the responsive, we need this facility, we need this facility, we need that facility. AI will develop the proper application. There will be no break, nothing. Maybe there is some small problems will be there. Like AI, maybe sometime AI cannot understand some field name or something. For that, for that we have to know the web GIS development. The small mistakes what AI is going to do, that who can rectify? The person who knows the web GIS development, that person can rectify. So that if there is a combination of the knowledge and AI, this is not like if you just if after the today's webinar, definitely I will give you, I am going to provide you many prompt, around 40-50 prompts I am going to provide you, and I am 100% sure when you will use that prompt in your machine, you will get application in 2 minutes and 3 minutes. But don't think it will be enough to move forward, because the most challenging job in web GIS development, when we are getting some error, how you will identify that error? To identify the error, to rectify the error, even even rectify also AI can do easily. But you have to check, you have to find what is the problem. For that you have to know, or you have knowledge of the web GIS development. This is definitely, AI is going to speed up your work. The work which going to take like 3 days or 4 days, you can do in 1 hour. That is for sure. Because we are doing every day, we are doing the same thing. Previously, when we have taken like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days to do something, now we are doing this that thing in one day. So there are many tools are there. All the tools also we will discuss. So what AI tools are actually doing in GIS today? So AI, as you know, AI is not a god. Someone have developed the AI. They have given knowledge to the AI, and based on that only AI is working. So you cannot expect 100% result from the AI. And if you are going to expect 100% AI, 100% correct result from the AI, then it means you are going to ruin your company. Because I tell you, recent incident before like 2 month, 3 month, one company has removed 20, 30 employees from the company, and they have taken five agents, five AI agents. And because as you know, agent means basically you need to give all the permission to the agent to do the work. They have given all the permission, and after some time, what happened? After some time, or after some day, that agent has removed everything from the server. So that is that kind of problem also coming. So we have to take care when we are using the AI or when we are using the AI agent. So different AI tools, like we have the Chat GPT, we have the Claude, we have the Perplexity, we have DeepSeek, we have Google Gemini. There are many tools are there. We need to understand which tool is good for what purpose. And especially when we are talking about the Web GIS, and as you know, Web GIS or GIS is a niche technology. Still, GIS comes in the niche technology. Niche technology means rare technology. When something is in the rare technology, then that result, that topics rarely we will get in AI. But now people have done too much training, given too much training to the AI. So now we are getting many result if we are trying to find something related to the GIS, remote sensing, anything. So here, what AI tools are actually doing in GIS today? So if you are going to use application using the leaflet or open layer, so we AI is doing well. Write Python script for the shapefile processing with GeoPandas. AI is doing well. Explain PostGIS error. It is doing well. Create basic fast API endpoints of the geo for the GeoJSON is doing well. So here you can see many things when, like when we are talking about data modeling. Data modeling required experience. You can write the prompt, AI can give you the data model, but after getting the data model, you have to tweak something. You have to check, you have to recheck the data model where we can improve the performance. AI will give you the simple standard model which someone already have given training to the AI. But based on your experience, how we can improvise the thing, how we can improve the productivity, how we can improve the performance, how we can improve the speed, that AI will not do for you. That your experience and your expertise can put something on that, then we can develop the best model. So here, build secure scalable production API. AI is not going to do. Optimize special query. As I told you, optimization is experience, their experience will required. Then architect a real-time GIS data pipeline. This AI is not going to do all these things. Now, after that, coming to the type of the AI, what are the types of the AIs are available in the market? So we have, in general, three type of AI: standalone AI, integrated AI, and customized AI. What are the standalone AI? This you guys already know. We all are using. Like we are using the Chat GPT, we are using the Perplexity, Google Gemini, 11 Labs. Many like standard AI tools are already available that we are using. Integrated AI tools means those AI tools which are not working independently or not working standalone. These AI tools are always working inside any application. Like let's suppose if your company is working with the Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, they have the Copilot. Copilot is working inside the Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. There you can write the prompt, you can get the formula, and you can use. So there are many integrated AI tools are there. These tools are basically working inside the system or inside the application. We have many tools are available in the Gmail, Canva, Notion AI, and Microsoft Copilot. Then after we have the customized AI tool. What is the meaning of the customized AI tool? Customized AI tools basically, like let's suppose you are running a finance company, or you are running a medical company, or you are running any company which are basically specifically work on particular domain. Then you can get the customized AI tool which will work on your domain only. So there are many tools are available which are basically working on particular domain like Bloomberg GPT. Bloomberg GPT is specifically for the finance. Bloomberg GPT is especially for the finance related thing. So there are customized AI tools also there. So these are the new business. What we are seeing here, these all are the new business which are coming in the market. Now slowly traditional business will gone and in each and every business AI tool will come. I give you one small example because as you know, like Yo4 GIS is working in the software development as well as for training. So one of the client is basically developing some want to develop some application for the environment. We have developed the application and everything. Then suddenly that client is asking ki Yogesh, can we integrate one AI module in our application where user can just write add building layer, add parcel layer. So whenever he will write, automatically all these layer will add on the map. And let's suppose he want to select some parcel where area is more than 100 square feet. Automatically all the parcel will select. Then he will write, I want to export all these parcels. So that parcel will export. So now this is the new demand of the client. Now this is the new demand of the client. So we have to cater all these things. So whatever the traditional thing we know, we have to learn the new thing also. Again, because see, what I am telling, what we knows that is good. But if you want to work with the modern thing, if you want to align your experience and your technology with the modern technology, then we have to learn all these things. If we will not learn, basically someone will basically run faster than you. Okay. So this is what this is. There are types of the AI tools which are available in the market. And now after that, coming to some AI glossary, what are the terminology we have in the AI? This is very interesting thing, interesting point, and I want your opinion also in this point. Like let's suppose when we are talking about the AI, so there are some things in the market. LLM is there, AI tool is there, AI agent is there, agentic workflow is there. There are many things of many terminology running in the market. So if anyone want to put some light on this, or anyone want to share your thought related to this terminology, whatever you know, okay, doesn't matter. See, first of all, here we are not going to discuss about something uh, like I am going to deliver something, you will receive. Here, as I told you, this is a knowledge sharing session. So if you have some knowledge, if you have something related to the AI terminology like LLM, AI, agent AI, agentic workflow, so you can please share. Then we will discuss more on this. Yeah, anyone want to share something on this point?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
So we are using mostly AI to develop the whole tool, and you said that we have to know any errors or maybe problems faced in the future.
Correct.
But mostly in the app development, we will have lines and lines of code, like many lines. How we can ensure that AI is doing correct, or maybe it is not compromising?
Correct. Your question is correct. First of all, when we are going to develop any mobile app or any web application, definitely AI is going to write 1,000 line of code. Okay. And even you also going to develop any application, you are also going to use 1,000 line of code. But based on our experience, if we know the flow of our web application development, correct? If we know the flow of our web application development, ki in my web application, when the map will load, then this thing will happen. When I click on the button, this thing will happen. We have given all these things to the AI, and based on that, AI has developed the code. Then testing team will run the code, use the application, and if any problem is there, they can point out. Then after that is our duty to check the function what you want to run on the button click, that AI has run properly, AI has written properly or not. Because of that reason, I was telling, AI cannot write, cannot do 100%. AI can help till 60%, 70%, 80%. But that this 20% is the point what you are talking. Ki if we have some problem, if we have some issue, then how we will resolve that thing. So this thing will come in the 20% part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anyone, anything want to, not only the question, if you have anything, let's suppose what is the LLM? What is the AI tool? What is the agentic AI? Anyone want to tell something? Then I will be more happy.
Large language model, LLM.
Yeah. Very good.
Remaining is all AI.
What is the large language model? Any idea about the large language model? Anyone have any idea about the LLM?
I know they are using in Phone Pay and Google Pay large language models to have money transfer.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, no problem. So that is good. After completion of this webinar, now I am 100% sure you guys will confidently talk about LLM, AI tool, AI agent, agentic workflow, all these terminology. And once we will know all this terminology and meaning of all this terminology, then we will get more confidence on the AI. Okay. So now I'm not going to discuss about the what is AI. Okay, because you can find the definition of the AI anywhere. AI is the something which is basically it is we are going to train the machine, think like the human and all. These all things you will get in net. So I'm not going to discuss about the AI especially definition of the AI. Even I am more interested and more towards the explanation of the AI. What AI is, what AI can do, how AI works. These are the things we will discuss. So now here as you can see, there are some terminology we have like LLM, AI tool, AI agent, and all. So here, first we will discuss about the LLM. Everyone is using the Chat GPT, correct? We all are using Chat GPT. We all are using the Chat GPT. We all are using like Google Gemini, Claude, using or not? Who already using this all these things? Just to put
Yeah, we are
yes.
using this. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just put
Yes,
in the chat box.
yes.
Okay,
I'm
we all
using
are
that
using.
technique.
So one thing, guys, please be on mute. Please be on mute. So we all are using this tool, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. Always remember these all what we are using. These all is called the AI tool. Okay, these all are called what? These all are called AI tool. Every tool, every tool, any tool if you are going to use, any tool in background is using one LLM. LLM is what? LLM is basically, if I try to explain you as a layman language, LLM is a mind. LLM is the mind of any AI tool. Full form of the LLM is large language model. Companies are giving training and developing the model. Companies are giving training and developing the model, and that model we are using in AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. Whenever just today when you will use the ChatGPT or when you will use the Claude, I think you guys already observe this thing. Whenever you are using the Claude or ChatGPT, so downside you are getting something like na Sonnet 2.3, GPT-1, GPT-2. If you are using ChatGPT, then you are getting the GPT-1, GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT-4. If you are using the Claude, then you are getting Sonnet 2.3, Sonnet 4.3. That is what these all are what? These all are the model. These all are the model which are working behind any AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, anyone. Some of the models, some of the models are freely available, and some of the models companies are charging. That is again based on how how much training we have given to the particular model. So these are the companies are there: OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Meta AI, Anthropics. OpenAI has developed the model. That model name is GPT-1. Google DeepMind has developed the model. That model is what? Gemini. Meta AI has developed the model. That model name is Llama. Anthropics has developed the model. That model name is Claude. What year they have developed, that also mentioned here. So LLM is what? LLM is a model which is basically working behind what? LLM is the model which is working behind the AI tool. LLM is like a brain of any AI tool. Whenever you are writing, I want to write a letter to my principal. Please provide me the format. Then, based on your question, model is generating the letter for you. How good training company has given to the model? How good training company has given to the model? Based on that, we are getting the result. So this is basically what LLM is, the core brain of any AI tool. Understood? Clear to everyone what is LLM? Now, after this session, everyone, please check the Chat GPT, check the Claude, any AI tool what you are using, and send me on WhatsApp which model you are using in Chat GPT, which model you are using in Claude, which model you are using in any chatbot. Because till now you knows only one thing: Chat GPT, Claude. But now you knows two important thing. Chat GPT is the tool. Chat GPT is provide you the facility to write the query, get the result, and all these things. But behind the Chat GPT, we are using one model. That model has developed by particular company. So in Chat GPT, if you will see and check which model we are using and send on the WhatsApp group. Okay, understood everyone? What is the LLM? Clear to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Please, yeah, okay. Please, you guys can send message on the chat. Okay, now after that, coming to the next one, AI tool. AI tool, I think you guys understood what is the AI tool. The software which build on top of the LLM, software which build on top of the LLM, we are asking this is a AI tool. So these are the name of the AI tools what frequently we are using: Chat GPT, GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Copilot, Jasper AI, Notion AI. Now here, when we are talking about the Copilot, let's suppose Microsoft Copilot. Then when you are using Microsoft Copilot, then because that Copilot is especially given training for the Microsoft Excel. So there you cannot ask question what is the capital of the Telangana. Correct? Understood? LLM is large language model that will behave based on what training we have given. Let's suppose you are working in Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Hyderabad Municipal Corporation want to develop their own LLM. They want to develop their own LLM कि भाई please develop LLM for me where we will give the training, we will provide the information so that my employees want to find out anything they can easily find which are related to Hyderabad municipality only. So that facility also available in the market. We can train the LLM based on the particular domain, based on the particular company. Like in software companies, most of the software companies, what they are doing, ki from last 30 years, whatever the business they are doing, they want to upload all the code on the internal LLM so that their employee can ask a question about the code, then LLM can give the answer. The chat GPT, in chat GPT, Claude, the LLM, what we are using, these all are the generic LLM. In the world, anyone can ask any question. But if someone want to develop personal LLM, so that facility also available. But many companies are working on that. Even we are also in the same line. As I told you, my client want to develop LLM where they can write add parcel layer, add building layer, select parcel where area is greater than this, select building area is greater than this, export ye, get the result in the Excel format. So that LLM is what? That LLM we are developing specifically for the particular client. Okay, understood. I think this is clear to everyone. What is the AI tool and what is the LLM? I want 100% answer from you because see, today is Saturday. Okay, and I know everyone's, specifically the people who are working in corporate, for them Saturday, Sunday is very important. And you guys are here and you are spending time for this session or webinar. It means that is for sure ki you want to understand something. You want to understand the importance of the AI. So that is my duty, and itself we can say like that is our duty. Everyone has to be understand so that this 1 hour or 2 hour will be useful for everyone. So everyone understood what is the LLM and what is the AI tool. Now coming to the next point, AI agent. Okay, this is now this is more interesting. Uh, to understand the AI agent, I tell you something like you have you guys heard about uh, anti-gravity? anyone heard about anti-gravity? No? Okay, no problem. There are many agents are there in market. That agents are designed, that agents are developed for a specific operation. Like, for example, I am running a travel agency. Okay. I am running what? I am running a travel agency. And when someone called me, he booked the ticket from Hyderabad to Mumbai for particular day and for morning hour or evening hour or afternoon hour. Then currently what is, once I will get this request, so what is my job? First I need to find the best flight based on your requirement. Once I will get the flight, then either I will check with you, sir, these are the best flight for you based on your requirement. And once you will give yes, then I will give my credit card or debit card detail and book the ticket. Correct? This is the process. This is entirely human driven process. Now in market, there are agents are available, AI agents. What these AI agents will do, when you want to, your requirement is same. Whatever the requirement you have given to the human, the same requirement you will send to the AI agent. AI agent quickly will find find the flight in 1 minute, and it will, if you have given the option for the human intervention, if you have given the option of the human intervention, then it will tell you, "Okay, sir, these are the flight I found. Can I book?" When you will tell yes, then it will tell you, "Please provide the credit card detail or debit card detail." Once you will get credit card or debit card detail, it will book the ticket. Most of the time, like people who don't have that much time to select the flight and get the approval and all, directly I will just give you the instruction, book the flight, that's all. So AI agent, they will give the credit card detail, they will give all the permissions. Then AI agent, you just give instruction to the agent, book the ticket from this to this hour, that hour, that's all. AI agent will do all the work. It will find out the flight, it will book the flight, and it will directly send PDF to you. So when we are talking about the AI agent, LLM or AI tool is basically not doing any action. AI tool will just give you the result. You have given the question, find the best flight from Hyderabad to Mumbai. In Chat GPT, you have written the question, it will give you the answer. You have written the question in Claude, it will give you the answer. Action, it is not going to do any action, because of it is called the AI tool. But when we will mix the LLM and action both, then it will become what? It will become the AI agent. So AI agent is basically having the facility to, based on the instruction, it will find, it will do the action. Any AI agent will always having some purpose. In market, in upcoming days, but the big companies are not going to hire human resource. Big companies are not going to hire human resource. Big companies are going to hire AI agent. Because as I told you, AI agent is the purpose driven. One AI agent is for one purpose. Another AI agent is for another purpose. Like you want to, let's suppose, uh, you, as I previously, one example I have given you, you are a content developer. Every day you want to develop the content for a particular topic, hot topic, or the topic which is in trending. So you have hired one AI agent. You have given the instruction, every day morning 6 o'clock send me a email with 10 top trending topics. So what this AI agent will do? This AI agent have only one purpose. Only one purpose. Any AI agent, when we are talking, any AI agent will work only for one purpose. That is called the purpose. Sometimes this is called purpose. Sometimes this is called persona. Sometimes this is called target. So any AI agent, whenever you have given instruction to the agent, that agent will do the action based on the purpose. Okay, so when if we are going to talk in detail about the AI agent, so any AI agent internally using LLM, because if you remember when we are talking about the AI agent, so how it will find the best flight, how it will find top trending videos. To find all this thing, AI agent required what? AI agent required LLM. Internally, AI agent use the LLM, get the information, and based on the information, it will take the decision and it will do the action and do and complete the work. So AI agent is what? AI plus ability to take action. It does not just answer, it perform what? It perform the task. What is the example flow? So AI agent can get user request, use LLM for thinking, and it will use the REST APIs to do the action. Similarly, the AI agent, let's suppose we have used one AI agent for the build a Web GIS application. So when you will give the plan structure, generate front end, generate back end, and everything, and it will do. AI agent always required permission from you. AI agent is always required permission from you, because whenever you want to get development for one application from AI agent, so you have to give permission to the AI agent to create the file, delete the file, and all these things. So we have to give permission to the AI agent, then AI agent will do the operation and complete the task. So what the AI agent basically it is doing, it is planning, decide, iterate, execute, and get the feedback and complete the task. What are the tools? What are the technology we are using inside the agent? We are using the LLM. As I told you, why we are using, maybe someone can ask you in AI agent, what is the purpose of the LLM? Ultimately, to find the things, AI agent will use the LLM. Using the LLM, it will try to find the information, get the information, finalize the information, use the tool, logic, and it will execute the operation. Now here in AI agent or agentic AI, basically what we required, what we required the autonomy. What is the meaning of the autonomy? Meaning of the autonomy is the purpose. Any AI agent will always be the purpose driven. One AI agent will do only one work. As I told you, in future companies are going to hire the AI agent. So how they will hire the agent? I need agent for front end development. I want agent for the back end development. I want agent for something. So that kind of agent, that kind of agent in future company will hire for their work. And sometime to complete the entire process, to complete the big application, we required many agent. So when we required many agents, so these agents are basically handshaking with each other. One agent work is done, it will give a work to another agent. Then another agent work is complete, then it will send to third agent, then it will send to the fourth agent. So that kind of thing is called the agentic workflow. Now after that, what is the complete thing for the AI agent or agentic AI? LLM, as you know, LLM is the brain of the AI. Then we have the AI tool, we have the AI agent, and after that, we will have the agentic AI. Clear to everyone, or anyone have any doubt? We can discuss on this point. If anyone have any question, any doubt, feel free to tell. We will discuss. Yeah, any question, please? Okay.
Clear.
Now, clear? Very good. Now, the next important thing we have discussed about the AI tool, we have discussed about the agent, we have discussed about the LLM, and my only target is once you will finish this webinar, then at least you can understand all this terminology, and I hope everyone understood this all these things. Now, after that, coming to the next very important part of the AI, which is going to play a very important role in even Web GIS development or any development, that is called what? That is called the prompting. That is called what? Prompting, and why prompt is important. So, as you guys know, AI is in trending, and AI is a very hot topic now these days. And the back end of the AI is what? Can anyone tell me? The back end of the AI, the mind of the AI is what?
LLM, sir. Algorithms and LLM.
NLM, sir.
Correct. Back end of any AI is the LLM. And LLM is all about depends upon the training. Correct? Let's suppose I have developed one LLM, but I have not given the proper training. And when you will ask a question, capital of Telangana, then it will tell you some uncertain answer. The capital of Telangana is Delhi or something like that. So it means we have not given proper training to the LLM. And the chat GPT or the things what we are using, and now we are feeling very happy when we are getting proper result. So one thing I just want to tell you, this is not a one day job. This is not a 2 day or 1 week or 1 month job. Last so many years, these companies are continuously putting the effort. They have gone through each and every page of the Wikipedia. They have gone through each and every document. They have gone through each and every images what we have on the Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. They have given the training to the model, and because of that reason, the result what we are showing, most of the question what we are asking to the AI, it is giving you the proper answer. And continuously, when you are asking question to the chat GPT, internally model is getting trained. Okay, one thing always remember, directly or indirectly, we are helping to the company for training to the model. And India is the one very important country for all these companies, because as you know, Indian people are very crazy. Means when uh, when Reliance has given 2 GB data free for every day, after that you cannot imagine how much videos people are uploading on the Instagram. If you will try to find that statistics in Google, then your mind will be like crazy ki how people are uploading all these things. So ultimately, whatever the things now these days we are uploading, whatever the things we are searching, we are basically giving training to the model so that their model will become more robust. And many AI model, many AI tools currently company has given free of cost for 1 year. Like if you have the Reliance Geo, then you can use this Google Gemini free of cost for 1 year. If you have Airtel SIM, then you can use Perplexity for 1 year. So don't think these people has given you free of cost. That people have not given you free of cost. For us, this is a free of cost, but for them, this is a kind of training we are providing to the tool free of cost. Okay. So coming to the next thing, ki after 1 year, they are definitely going to charge for using of the chat GPT and Claude or any AI tool. And why I am telling you all this thing? Because everything is going to connect with what you are writing. So let's suppose if I given you the task, ki I want to develop a Web GIS application using leaflet and some more thing I some more requirement I given you. Once you will write your prompt, let's suppose because you are a beginner and because you are using free of cost chat GPT, so you have written one prompt, I want to develop a Web GIS application using leaflet. Then chat GPT will give you the code. Then you will feel कि अरे यार this is not the proper code, I want to add something else. Then you have given prompt, you please add this thing also. Then you have written please add this thing also. Then you have written please modify this thing also. Today you are not realizing the importance of the prompt, but after 1 year you will realize the importance of the prompt, because in AI world everything is connected with the token. Each and every money will connect with the token. Token means what? Whatever the word you are writing in the chat GPT, whatever the sentence you are writing in the chat GPT internally break this sentence in multiple words. That words are basically token. So if more the prompt, more the token, more the charges. So because of that reason, from today onward, whenever you guys are writing the prompt, be careful. In one shot, first your target is, if you want to develop an application, if you want to get any information, first you need to write a proper prompt, so that in maximum one, maximum two, maximum three cycle, you will get the proper answer. Because currently I am seeing many people are using this prompt for one simple requirement, they are using 10 times. So this is just information for you. After 1 year, when all these things will be paid, then it will be very, very painful for you to get the result. So before coming to that situation, if you will if you will basically rectify the process of your prompt, then it will be good for you. Okay. So why prompting is superpower? I think you guys now understood. Now after that, let's suppose if any company, in any company, one simple task, if we have given to the two different developer, he build a web GIS application using the leaflet.js. One gets working style production quality code in 4 minutes, and other has given the code and that is not properly working. The reason behind, now you guys understood the reason behind is what? The reason behind is the prompt. If you have given the right prompt, then definitely you will get what? You will get the right result. So here the prompt is very important. It is not their coding skill, not their experience, not which AI tool they are using. The only difference, what the quality is basically the prompt. So if you will give the proper prompt, you will get the proper result. Now coming to understand basically what when we are talking about the prompt or what proper prompt. So there are many different type of means people has given the prompt. Like here, let's suppose you have given simple make a map using leaflet. Then then the chat GPT will not understand what is your target, what you want to do, what is your agenda of the application. So if you will not explain all these things, chat GPT will develop anything. But if you will give the proper prompt, ki I need the leaflet application, what is the purpose of the application, what technology I want to use, how data will access, and what color, what style you want to use, so that if you will give everything in detail, then ChatGPT or any AI tool will give you the proper result. So as I already explained you how the token is working in the when we are writing the prompt. So first let's suppose you have written the prompt, that prompt convert to the token, and this token sent to the this LLM, and then it will return you the message, and that message we are getting as a result. So this is basically what Chat GPT, LLM, any LLM is basically not understanding the word what you have written. When this word will convert to the small chunks, that is chunks basically called the token, and these chunks, the English word will convert to the numbers. That is very important. English words will convert to the numbers, and basically in database LLM is not storing the English word. LLM is storing what? LLM is storing the numbers. Token is stored in the number format, and based on the numbers only it will find and it will give you the result. That is the internal things. When we will take another session for the LLM in detail, then I will explain you about everything, how this tokenizer will work and how the token will work, how to convert to the token, what kind of database LLM is using to store the token and all. But you please understand one important thing. Token, it means money. Token is directly connected with the money. So in future, more the token, more the spend of the money. So the impact of good versus bad prompt is, good prompt means good prompt will be always specific and clear, and produce actionable insight, reduce false things, and it will basically reduce your basically bad good prompt will reduce your iteration. Always we will try to reduce the iteration, then we will get the proper answer. Bad prompt, it will not give the proper context to the LLM, then always it will give you some different answer. So we always try to create the good prompt, and once we will use the good prompt, then we will get the right answer. Okay, clear till this point to everyone. What is the importance of the prompt? Okay, now coming to the how we can basically improve the writing of the prompt. For all these things, I am going to provide you the document. Okay, don't worry. After the session, I will share you 3 4 documents. That documents, one is for the prompt writing, another is for the 30 40 prompt, sample prompt, and another document is from the Google, how we can write the proper prompt. Next document is from the U4GIS, how you can write good prompt using some instruction. So if you want to use the correct prompt, so this is the framework what everyone has to use. And even my suggestion is from today onward, whenever you guys are writing the prompt, always use this framework. That framework name is ROCAS. The framework name is what? The framework name is ROCAS. What is the meaning of the ROCAS? R stand for the role. Say chat GPT or any AI tool is basically don't know what is your expectation. Let's suppose you want to write a story. Okay. For example, you want to write a story, some any topic. I'm coming on the topic later, but let's suppose you want to write a story. So who can write a good story? The person who can write a good story, what we are saying to that person?
Writer.
Story writer, correct. So first thing is, whenever you will write the code, whenever you will write the prompt, first thing you have to write, consider you as a experienced story writer. Work as a story writer. Your role is a story writer. Then whenever you will define the role of the it, this AI tool, then its behavior will automatically change. Because see, here one thing always remember, everything behind the scene, everything is the mathematics. Behind the scene, everything is working based on what? Based on your instruction. Your instruction is your prompt. That because of that reason, your prompt is very important. So whenever you are going to write any prompt for any application development for anything, so first thing is you need to define the role. What is the role you are expecting from the AI tool? Second thing is, what is your objective? What you want to develop? So let's suppose if I want to develop a web GIS application using the leaflet, then what I need to write here? Your role is a senior GIS developer. Then automatically it's thinking, its way of writing, everything will change. Why? Because now he's working as a what? Now he's working as a senior GIS developer. वो पिक्चर देखा था ना, गजनी? गजनी में वो आमिर खान क्या रहता है, वो उसको भूल जाता है ना सब चीज. Then whenever you will tell, then it is remember. तो this is the गजनी. ये जो एआई टूल है, एआई टूल इज द गजनी. whenever you will tell कि अरे you are a senior GIS developer. Oh, I am a senior GIS developer. Now it is thinking, it is writing everything as a senior GIS developer. Otherwise, if you will not define the role, then it will give you the generic answer. So here, first thing is what? First thing is the role. Then second thing is the objective. What is the objective? I want to develop a web GIS, or I want to develop a attractive, modern, responsive web GIS application using the leaflet. Then what is the context? Why you want to develop this application? That application I want to develop for showing the disaster, or I want to showing the earthquake data. Then what is the action? And then after, what is the style? What style you want to use for the application? And even if you are facing any problem to write the prompt, simply you can write role is equal to this, objective is equal to this, context is equal to this, action is equal to this, and style is equal to this. Automatically, any AI tool will understand, okay, you want this role, this objective, this context, this action, and this style. Then it will always give you the result on that format. When before 1 year, before 2 year, when AI people started using the AI, then one thing is was very famous in the market: prompt engineering, prompt writing. That many people have created the course for the prompt writing and all. But now these days, you no need to spend money to basically understand the prompt writing, prompt engineering. Why? Because the reason is, now even if you want to write a good prompt, you can use the chat GPT. You can use the chat GPT, and chat GPT will give you the prompt. Get the prompt from the chat GPT and ask him to now develop the application. I will show you how everything is possible and everything is working perfectly fine. But here, going forward, always remember this ROCA's: role, objective, context, action, and styles. So here, benefit of the ROCAS framework. What is the use of the ROCAS framework? This is why we are using the ROCAS, because reduce the confusion, reduce retries, save tokens, save money, and save time. Because one thing always remember, guys, your prompt is money. Going forward after 1 year, you will remember me कि अरे योगेश जी ने सही कहा था कि prompt writing is very important. How? If you are going to reduce the iteration, it means you are reducing the money. So previously, when the AI came in the market, people have simply given the prompt. Now the technology change. Now the time change. Now AI is expecting contextual writing prompt. Contextual writing means you have to write the context. You have to write your target. You have to explain in detail what the context you required, what the target you required, what the role you required. Then you will get the proper prompt. So like here, prompt writing is not enough now these days. Now these days you require the contextual writing. Don't worry about long prompt. AI is not telling कि write the short prompt. AI is telling write the proper prompt. So don't worry about the short prompt or long prompt. Like here, the prompt writing, if we are using the normal short and vague, no context, more errors, many retries, this is very danger. Many retries, more money you are going to spend. More tokens. See here, more tokens means more money. Minimal skill required, low, wrong CRS, and all these things. But if we are using the contextual writing, in the contextual writing, your prompt will be crystal clear. You are going to provide full context, more accuracy. In 1 2 3 attempt, you will get the answer. Okay, so now after that, see here, this is like difference between the prompt and context. If you see here, we have written the project context. Based on this context, Based on this context, ChatGPT or any AI tool will develop the proper application. And to write the proper prompt, we need experienced people. This is the place where we need the experienced people. If you will give this work to the fresher, then because they don't have the experience, they don't understand the in depth of the technology, they can write any prompt, they will get the result. But when this code will basically stop working, we don't know. So to do the proper prompting, to write the proper prompting, we required what? We required the experienced people. So here, why AI and knowledge together? So as the same thing what I told you, AI is important. I am not denying. AI is 100% important, but at the same time, knowledge is also important. If you don't have knowledge on the particular technology, if you don't have the knowledge on the particular domain, so you are just playing with the AI. Maybe you are thinking you are expert because of the AI, but you are totally wrong. So if when we are any company, any person is using the AI along with the knowledge, then I am 100% sure that guy can do wonder. Okay, so this is very important. Only AI, if you have the knowledge, if you have the knowledge, I am 100% sure you can do the work. You can do the proper work, but you will take 1 month to develop the application. But if you are going to handshake with the AI, if you are going to handshake with the AI, then it will do wonder. Your experience, your knowledge, and speed of the AI will match. And the thing what you are going to do in 1 month, it is going to finish in 1 day. So here, AI tool will give you the speed, code generation, debugging, and your subject knowledge will provide the accuracy. And now it is altogether what? It is altogether the professional application. AI only with no knowledge means whenever, let's suppose if you are using AI, you don't have the knowledge. We have given one development of the Web GIS application to one fresher guy. Then he will use the AI, he will develop the application, but he don't know what is the CRS. He don't know what is the feature. He don't know what is the data set, what is the polygon, what is the multi-point, what is the multi-polygon. Then you can imagine what he will develop. Maybe he can show the application, but when this application will stop working, we don't know because he is not catering all these things what is required for the GIS. Only knowledge if you have only knowledge, there is no problem. You can develop the 100% application. But my worry is the speed. My worry is the time taking, what you are going to take. But now if you are going to use both knowledge and AI, then your GIS knowledge, your GIS knowledge and speed of the AI will handshake and we can develop the application in 1 day. What are the problems with the AI? We have discussed about all the positive point of the AI, but we have to know about the problems with the AI also, because as you know, in this world, this like if you will try to find in Google what are the problems people have faced after using the AI, then these things you will get easily. This is not a new thing. Image recognition. We are using the AI technology in the image recognition. Many time AI will fail to recognize the image. If you guys have used the Gemini, you guys have used ChatGPT or many things, where sometime you are generating the image, even sometime in between some prompt also coming, you can put your image and you will get very handsome man. You will put your image, they will show like you are horse riding. So, but when ChatGPT or any image generating AI tool, when we are using, so sometime it is basically taking my image, but it is showing some different image. So that kind of problem we are facing with the AI. Even in the coding also some problems we are facing. One problem I already explained you, कि one company hire AI agent and that AI agent delete all the data. So there are many problems also we have with the AI, but these all things because of the less training. Over the time, over the time when the training will good, then automatically we will get the good result and fast result as well. So our requirement is not only the fast, our requirement is the correctness also. Whatever the application we are going to develop, that application we need to develop fast and correct. Okay, so now after that, we will come to the online demo, how we will basically do all this thing. Meanwhile, if you guys want to discuss something, or if you have any doubt, any question, feel free to tell. Meanwhile, I will open the another browser for doing all these things. Yeah, you guys can tell anything here.
Sir,
Yes,
you said in the future they will charge for customers whether
correct.
for burning tokens.
Yes,
So, how to overcome that? Because right now everybody is feeling free and they are using as much as possible. But now, if they charge or maybe put a subscription model, they will not get enough uh, data or something like that. Because when you see the Google, they put free until today is a free
correct.
open source.
Actually, see, in this world, no, first always remember one thing. Sometime, when I am circulating any flyer course, this course we are going to start, then sometime people are asking, sir, is it free? Sometime some people are asking, sir, is it free? You tell me one thing. In this world, I think except the air, even on in upcoming time, air also is not free. Correct? In this world, nothing is free. And the company who are putting effort from last 10 years on AI, training the model and all, definitely they are not going to give you all these things free of cost. The question what you have told, that is correct. How we can overcome? The result, the basically overcome, how you can overcome with this one? The answer of this is if you are very good in prompt writing, this is the only place where you can improvise and reduce the cost. Prompt is the superhero. In AI world, prompt is the superhero. Okay? Anyone have any other question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is one document, this is one of the document which I am going to provide you. So that is basically uh, how this I already explained you about this ROCAS framework, but in detail you will get everything in this document. So why basically how we are instead of writing this, how we can use this ROCAS framework, and how you are writing the prompt. Everything is mentioned here. This is one thing. what is the meaning of the style, and when you are writing the prompt, how you can write. See here, like this one, Roka's template. Act, what is the, how you are starting the prompt. Okay, you act as a senior developer, act as a story writer, act as a doctor. Means let's suppose you are going to ask any question to the chat GPT that is related to the medical. Then you have to write here, act as a senior cardiologist, act as a senior consultant, correct? Acts as a senior developer, act as a senior GIS developer, act as a senior architect. So, what this is what act as a, then after it, what you want to develop objective. What is the context? Context means what the technology you want to use, audience, requirement, constraint, and then after what are the tasks you need to do, then what is the style. So based on that, it will give you what? Based on that, it will give you the proper prompt. And even for the prompt writing, I will just try to show you here something, because my all the browser are full with chat GPT and all. So here, let's suppose, see here, I don't know what the code I am going to write. It will 100% work, not work, but I am trying to show you the process of doing the thing. My requirement is what? My simple requirement is I have one GeoJSON data. Okay. I know, I believe everyone knows about the GeoJSON. Everyone knows GeoJSON or not?
Yeah.
Very good. Then I have the GeoJSON data. So let's suppose I will show you here just today evening only, because I want to show you. So then I have created one GeoJSON, and this GeoJSON is for the point feature, and this GeoJSON have something like this kind of features we have. So the type is equal to feature. What are the property we have? We have the ID, name, and GHMC, and then after tuition point, then after what is the type of this one. So we have all these details. Okay. Now my requirement is what? I want to develop a Web GIS application using leaflet.js. For that, I have the GeoJSON data. The format of the GeoJSON feature is this. Okay, now I will just show you directly. So I am not directly going to tell to AI tool to develop the application for this. First, I want to create a proper prompt. Once I will satisfy with the prompt, then after I will move forward. Okay. So I am going to write this, say here, create a prompt for modern Web GIS application where we want to use GeoJSON data, which feature format is, what is your feature format? This is your feature format, correct? I am just copy this one. Feature format is this one. We want to create filter, comma, search based on type field. We need legend. We need legend we need to show selected feature, और यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो आप filtered feature on map as well as table. I am not asking to develop the application. I am just asking to Via first I give me the proper prompt. Whatever the English I know, whatever the English you know, that you please write in your language. Don't worry. Okay. Table application should responsive. ठीक है, बस इतना लिखते हैं. And show markers in cluster and good info window. ठीक है, चलो अभी we have put enter. So now it is basically, first it will basically try to give you the proper prompt. Now has given you what? It has given you the proper prompt with create this one. And now let's suppose if you want to write here, we need prompt in Rokas framework. We need prompt in Rokas framework. Then it will convert the prompt in Rokas framework. What will be the role? What will be the objective? What is the context? What is the action and everything? Okay, so now let's suppose it has given you what? It has given you some prompt. I will simply, you need to copy the entire thing. Copy the entire thing and paste it here. But before going to run the prompt to develop the application, like first you have to read the prompt. It is everything has written properly or not. So like create a modern production ready WebGIS application, preferred leaflet. I don't want any other library. I need leaflet. The application must be fully responsive and all core this interactive map and display all geolocation point, use a modern base map. And चलो इसको क्या करते हैं, हम लोग रन करते हैं. We'll see what it will do. Hey, create WebGIS application using below prompt. We'll see what it will do. It is doing something. So here the most important thing is like meanwhile it is generating. So this file also I am giving to you. So this is for the sample WebGIS prompt, what basically you can directly use and it will develop the application. This is not these prompt I am going to give you not just to create the application. You need to go to the prompt, read the prompt, then you will get idea. You will get idea. So going forward or in future, whenever you are going to do some work, so you should be these thing in your mind. First, in anything, I need to define the role, I need to define the objective, what are the technology, what action need to do, what is the style and all. Then based on that, you will not spend much iteration. You are not going to do many iteration to develop the same application. Add this, and this, all this, not required. Okay. So there are two, three sheets I will give you. One is this one, another is this one. What it is telling. Okay, so I will copy this one, entire thing, what it is written. Some error was coming, I think, correct? Okay, anyways, the same thing I will show you here. So I have basically created some web application based on the same prompt what we have used here, even the same data also. So here, if you will see this prompt we have generated from AI, and simply I have not changed anything. Simply I have copy and paste. That's all. And now after that, if I will run this one, then you can see what the result we are getting here. See here. This is the application which how much time we have taken to, let's suppose, develop this page. What you are observing, how much time we have taken to develop this? Hardly
Not 5 minutes, sir. Less than 5 minutes.
less than 5 minutes. And the next important thing is this application, if you see the facility, first of all, whenever I am over the mouse, I am getting the XY coordinate. It is giving you two mode also, day mode, light mode, dark mode. Maybe see, as I told you, 60-70% application it will give you. Like here, whenever I am changing the mode, there are some problems are there. Like here, I am not able to see the coordinate. Why? Because the coordinate, this text color need to change. But in 5 minutes, if AI is going to provide you this facility, see here, total how many points we have in GeoJSON? 212. Because if you will see this GeoJSON, in this GeoJSON, I have around 212 features. So here, if I will, currently it is showing 212 feature. All features it is showing you in the tabular form. It will show you all the features in the map also. Now, if I will filter this data place of worship. So see here, how many place of worship we have? 131. All the place of worship is showing on the map as well as in table also. Social infrastructure, total 77 features. And even whenever you will go here, it will show you all the features in the point format. Even it is showing my current location as well. It is showing my current location, and this is correct. If you will check any feature, as we have written, we need the info window. It is showing you the info window as well. Now let's suppose if you want to make more attractive this info window, then you can write. We need more attractive info window. Please provide the proper styling. Then it will give you the proper styling for this. But ultimately your 70% application it created in 5 minutes. So this is the beauty of the AI when we are using with our development and with our experience. Like when someone asks you to develop the application, you should know कि yes, we can develop the application using GeoJSON. And even one very good thing I will tell you, you guys please try. Even if you want to develop the application which will access the data directly online, that also you can do. That also you can do. Means actually one day I have developed one application using the ArcGIS Server REST API. This ArcGIS Server REST API, it is accessing the data directly from the ArcGIS server. I have not given data, I have just given the link. It is accessing the data from that link and it is showing everything on the map. So here we have given many things. We need the search, we need to find the name, all these things. If you will simply give the prompt, like what the prompt I have given you, let's suppose you want to develop a web GIS application. See this one. If you will simply take this one, just take this one and copy in your chat GPT. It will give you application in 2 minutes, hardly 2 to 3 minutes. You can run this prompt and you can get the result. So these all prompt I will provide you in the WhatsApp so that you can use and you can get the information. Okay. Now after that, what will be the basically what will be the roadmap for our GIS this one GIS application. So in whenever we are using the AI with the GIS development, then these are the roadmap what we have to follow. So first we have to go into the GIS foundation, front end development, back end development, post GIS, and then after AI development, and then after project. So if you want to develop the one second, where is my PowerPoint? Yes. So whenever if you want to develop the web GIS application, so going forward, please remember application we have to be get the knowledge, along with that one how we can implement things using the AI. We should be more focused on that. Okay, so this is basically complete things about how we can use the AI. And this course basically we are going to start from 15th of May. That is basically same thing. Web GIS full stack development course using the AI. And this course duration is around 3 months. And the classes will be 3 days in a week. Time will be 8 to 9 or 9 to 10. Whatever the things you are going to learn, or what are the things I mentioned here, like HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, and all these things. In all the places, how we can use the AI and how we are using the AI, these all things you will get. And along with this, basically you are going to get thousands of MCQs also. It will going to help you for the interviews or any basically any discussion or any conversation. Okay, that is up to you. If you have any means you want to learn web GIS development, then you can fill the form and you can join this course. Now, if you anyone have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask, guy.